the fun and Play-Doh that.
The Play-Doh Sweet Shop Ice Cream Sundae card. Why don't you open this up? Try this end. Scoop. Use your little extruder. It's your favorite word. Popsicle mold. Cone. And 2 popsicle sticks. And this is a different set, but we figured we would get all our ice cream stuff out. Okay, so what can you do with this set?
We can do anything.
We can do anything.
I was talking too loud in my ice cream thing.
Okay, why don't we make an ice cream cone? Oh, and you have this little bowl for making sundaes.
Actually, that's a cone.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and that's a cone.
Well, then what's that?
That's a soda.
Oh, I meant, what's this?
That's a cone.
Okay, and this is a cone too?
Yeah.
Okay. So what flavor would brown ice cream be?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna put it in a cone? All right, 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream. Do you want to put another scoop on top?
Yeah. It will be strawberry.
How old are you, Audrey?
3.
3. Oops. Yum.
Now we just need to
With some whipped cream, some frosting.
Yeah. Roll it out. Get out soda.
And you know, you could set it up here if you wanted
And
to.
then we need a fruit.
And then that giant sprinkle. You can set it right there to display it. There's your beautiful ice cream cone. So what are you doing with the green Play-Doh?
Making ready.
Oh, what are you gonna do with lettuce? Isn't this an ice cream shop?
Yeah, but ice cream ladies make ready.
Ice cream ladies make lettuce ice cream.
Yeah, you can make a waffle. What get a brown pail and get rounding it out with my hand.
Look,
I want.
you just kind of wrap it and you have a cone. Would you like to make a little sundae in there? A sundae is when you put different scoops of ice cream and then you can put different things on it, little toppings. Ooh, that's a really good scoop.
Banana. A green apple mint pocket kit. It is.
Can't wait to eat it. Should I have a chocolate scoop?
And then we need chocolate.
It's really pretty.
Now it gets Sundae.
Ooh, look at that pretty sundae. We have strawberry, vanilla.
Now we need top.
We could make something from this. We have heart, and then you can put the spoon in it.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle.
You want sprinkles too?
Yeah.
What do you think about Play-Doh Plus, Audrey?
It's messy.
It is very messy. It's kind of cool, but it dries up quickly and it sticks to everything. We don't.
And regular Play-Doh doesn't dry up.
Look, Audrey, look. It fits perfectly in here. So we can just display it right there in the cart. Do you want to make a popsicle?
Not yet.
Not yet. I like how you've mixed the colors here. I like how they're
Yeah, they are getting very pretty and looking very tasty.
very tasty. I like it when you work really hard and you stick your tongue out.
Why do I get my tongue out?
I don't know. I think it means you're concentrating really hard. You're gonna go.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
And do it very hard.
Can I make a popsicle?
Yeah, with
Okay.
pocket.
All right. So like a little fudge-sicle.
Yeah.
You can just kind of stick it on here. Put this in here. And then you close it. And what do you do, Audrey?
Shush it.
Squish it. Squish, 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 squish. You gotta be strong.
Yeah, I'm strong too.
And you pull all the...
You are stronger too.
Oh, thank you.
You're even stronger.
Even stronger. When you open it, you have a popsicle or a fudge-sicle.
I mean a pocket-o.
Audrey likes to say pockettle. This is dedicated to Liz and Leanne. So what are you doing over there?
Rolling out the pail.
All right. And we've got all kinds of treats in our little cart now. Ice cream cones, Sundae. Now what are you doing over there? You want to use this? You can make a cookie there.
No, thank you.
I hear you fell down.
Yeah.
That must have been so sad.
Yeah. I don't feel I was running down the hill like that.
Yeah.
That was scary.
Oh, well, I'm glad you're okay.
I hope I didn't get any boo-boo, but I did on my left, I mean on my right elbow.
That's right.
I will make one last thing.
One last thing.
Yeah.
Look at all the stuff we made today. Now, can you tell me a little bit about what you've done? Oops, what you've done here? What's this on the end of the cart? What's
It's a worm.
a worm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go some.
a gross worm.
Yeah.
What's with the gross worm?
He won the ice cream.
So if you want to buy the ice cream, you buy it from the gross worm?
Yeah.
Cool.
He's a ice cream lady.
He's an ice cream lady. That's awesome.
Yeah. I'm making an apron for that worm.
You're making an apron for the worm?
Yeah.
He's gonna love it. Oh, it's a secret. I like watching you work.
Yeah, me too. Now it's problem.
How is he gonna wear the... Oh, he just keeps the apron in his cart?
Yeah.
Okay. And then maybe when he goes out to sell the ice cream, he puts the apron on.
Yeah. Bye, guys. If you enjoy this video, please share and tell me what your favorite at we made it.
Good, yeah. If you liked this video, please press like and you can subscribe. Tell us what your favorite part of this video was and what your favorite treat was that we made. Bye.
I mean, no bye.
No bye. Okay, oops, we're not done.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Worm.
You're welcome.
You're looking very fancy in your apron.
Yeah. That why Audrey made it so fancy.
You're a very fancy man. Would you like a bite of my popsicle?
No, thank
Do I owe you any money?
yeah.
How much?
$10.
$10?
Yeah, at Alpha, good price.